Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Moto Auto Trends, your go-to channel for the latest updates and insights into the world of cars and motorcycles. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the remarkable BYD Song Plus. From its stunning design to its cutting-edge technology, luxurious interior, and impressive performance, we'll explore every detail of this vehicle. Stick around to find out why this car is making waves in the automotive market. Let's get started. The BYD Song Plus boasts a bold and modern exterior design, reflecting BYD's signature Dragon Face 3.0 design language. The front fascia is dominated by a large, chrome-accented grille that exudes power and sophistication. The sleek, sharp LED headlights add a sense of precision and elegance, ensuring the car stands out both day and night. The side profile showcases aerodynamic lines and pronounced wheel arches, giving it a sporty yet robust appearance. The 19-inch alloy wheels further enhance its dynamic stance. At the rear, the LED taillight bar seamlessly connects both ends, accompanied by a stylish integrated spoiler, delivering a sporty and contemporary vibe. Overall, the BYD Song Plus is a true head-turner, blending style with substance. Technology. The BYD Song Plus is packed with cutting-edge technology to elevate your driving experience. At the heart of the cabin lies a 15.6-inch rotatable touchscreen, allowing you to switch between portrait and landscape modes effortlessly. It runs on BYD's proprietary D-Link 4.0 infotainment system, which offers internet connectivity, over-the-air updates, and AI-powered features. Safety is a top priority, and the BYD Song Plus is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, ACC, maintains a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. Lane keeping assist, LKA, helps you stay centered in your lane. Automatic emergency braking prevents or mitigates collisions. 360-degree camera system ensures easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Heads-up display HUD projects vital information onto the windshield for a safer drive. These features not only provide convenience, but also ensure peace of mind on every journey. Interior design. Step inside the BYD Song Plus and you're greeted with a spacious and premium cabin. High-quality materials like soft-touch leather seats and meticulously designed stitching elevate the interior ambiance. The cabin layout is both functional and luxurious, catering to drivers and passengers alike. Key interior features include fully digital instrument cluster, provides clear and customizable information for the driver. Panoramic sunroof adds a sense of openness and natural light to the cabin. Generous legroom. Ample space in both the front and rear ensures maximum comfort. Large cargo capacity. Perfect for family trips or carrying large loads. The attention to detail in the BYD Song Plus's interior sets it apart in its class, making it a comfortable and sophisticated choice. Performance and engine. The BYD Song Plus offers two powertrain options, catering to different needs. One plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV. This version combines a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 523 horsepower. It can travel up to 120 kilometers, 74 miles, in pure electric mode, making it ideal for both city and long-distance driving. 2. Fully electric vehicle, EV. Powered by BYD's innovative Blade battery. This version offers a range of up to 500 kilometers, 310 miles, on a single charge. The fast charging capability allows the battery to reach 80% in just 30 minutes, ensuring minimal downtime. Both variants deliver a smooth, responsive ride thanks to the well-tuned suspension and advanced drivetrain. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling highways, the BYD Song Plus guarantees a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. Price and market competition. The BYD Song Plus is priced competitively, making it a strong contender in the global market. Let's break it down by regions. United States market. Although BYD is still establishing its presence in the US, the Song Plus is poised to compete with models like the Tesla Model Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Its affordability and robust features could give it an edge, though BYD will need to strengthen its brand awareness in this market. European market. In Europe, the BYD Song Plus is gaining traction as a cost-effective alternative to popular models like the Volkswagen ID.4 and Kia EV6. Countries like Germany, France, and the Scandinavian region have shown a growing interest in the Song Plus, particularly because of its advanced technology and eco-friendly credentials. The competitive pricing gives it a significant advantage in these markets, especially for consumers looking for high value at a reasonable price. Conclusion? And there you have it. A comprehensive look at the BYD Song Plus. From its sleek exterior to its advanced technology, luxurious interior, and impressive performance. This car is a testament to BYD's commitment to innovation and sustainability. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe to Moto Auto Trends, and share this video with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you think about the BYD Song Plus. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care and drive safe.